Hey guys, this is Techno So a new update, the month of October, has been released for some of the Note 9 devices. So most likely you're not getting the update, so don't worry, neither did I. So I'm still stuck on the August update. So if you guys want to know the September or the October update, just comment below and I will let you know once the update is released. Anyways, this time around, Samsung introduces the update with a detail of it. So basically showing the stability of AR emoji, super slow motion camera, then you have the stability of device, so mostly the performance, and then finally you have the security, so basically a patch for the vulnerabilities of your device. So that's basically it guys. If you guys want to see more videos like this, do let me know.